Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use a brush pen. Firstly, brush lettering is based on varying pressure. Downstrokes press harder for thick lines and use light pressure for thin lines. This contrast creates the graceful look of typical modern calligraphy. Hold your brush pen like a normal pen or pencil, but with few key differences. Keep your pen at roughly a 45 degrees angle to the paper and hold it closer to the nib for better control, and keep your wrist relaxed and let your arm move the pen, not just your fingers. This helps maintain smooth, fluid strokes. Now, before forming letters, spend time mastering the foundation strokes. These are the building blocks of brush lettering. When the pen moves downward, press harder to create a thick line. And when moving upward, apply light pressure and use the tip of the brush. Your line should be thin and delicate. Now practice transitioning smoothly between the two. Begin with a thick downstroke, gradually lift pressure between and before the curve, and move into a thin upstroke. These transitions are crucial because they form connections between your letters. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.